welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video is going to be Boxy charm. This just came in the mail. I don't know if this is my Boxy Luxe or my Boxy Premium. I think it's my Luxe, but we're going to open it up and find out. Boxy charm is, the base box is like $25 a month. It is a beauty subscription box. You can get Boxy Luxe every 3 months, which is an additional $25 for a grand total of $50 plus shipping. And then the premium is a 35 box. All links are in the description. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. This box is incredibly heavy. Like, this got some stuff in it. I can't wait to see what's in it, actually. About to go camping. It's all going with me. So, maybe not all of it. So, this box is called Glam Vibes Only. And I got Variation 79. Sorry, I saw something in here that I am going to not be taking. So the first item in here is by Fenty Beauty. And it is the Kilowatt Foil highlighter. I'm hoping it's something not what I had, because the last one I had was gold, and I can't wear gold as anything but eyeshadow. So let's see what this one is. Ooh, I got a dual. So it's like a dual color. It says Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise. I might be able to use these as eyeshadows. I don't know, but they're very pretty, and I do like them. So that is over there. That's the first item. The second item is by Hip Dot. I might already have this palette, but I'm not sure. So this is what it looks like. Hold on a minute. It's a very beautiful palette. Now, the Fenty Beauty item was a highlighter, and it was $36. And the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette $30. And I think I have this, but I'll have to check my collection just to be sure. I'm not going to swatch it in case I do have it. No need to. So, that out of the way. See what else I got. Ooh. I got by Brie Brio, I think. Tomato serum. Oh, well, I got tomato serum. Let's check that out. I can do with tomato. Ooh, that's really kind of cute. I don't know what you think, but it's $150 for this serum. Like, $150. Let's put like $5 right there. Holy smokes. Alrighty then. So, $150 serum. Yeah. Let's set this aside. I got my hava mineral and hand cream sea kissed, and it is $36. I like that idea. That'll be really nice to take with me camping. It smells good. I like that. And the next item I got is a weighted gravity sleeping mask. I might take that with me. This is $40. I do have one. I think I have one. I'm sure I have one. But it's kind of neat to get another one. That one is going camping with me. This small little item says it's a lip gloss by Persona. Oh my wait, I suck at this. So the gravity mask was 40 bucks, and this is 16, and I got honey. I'm just too excited. I get these things and I get so excited, and then I want to talk about them, but then I want to use them, and I'm not an overly litty person. But it is a nude and kind of brownie. So, I might give it a shot. It probably will rub out and just be like more of a sun-kissed nude. And this item is by Pure, and it says that it's the Complexion Authority Signature Travel 12-piece cruelty-free brush set, which is good because I'm going camping. Ooh, they're pink. Oh, they're pink. That's gonna be fun. But it is a 12-piece set. It's got everything that you would possibly need in here. And this is kind of cool. I don't have one at all. I do like that it all fits in here. Although once the brushes are every which way, I'm not sure how that's gonna work. But still really cute. And this is $49. And the last item in here is buy one scanner. I don't know how it says, but it says it's a rose gold brighten facial treatment mask, and there's 5 of them in there. I'll hold them up. Here's the thing, I'm actually allergic to gold, so damn thing's $135. Wow. I can't use these, but I can pass them to somebody who I know can use them. But overall, that means my box was although I can math. Well over, I would say, about $500. How that can't be right. I am gonna do some math, like some real math. So the serum was $150, and then the palette 30. That's $180. 16 for lippy. That's $196. 36 for the Fenty Beauty item. That is 12, 3 to 32. The gravity mask was 40, which brought to 72. The pure thing is 49. I know math is boring. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 321. This is worth $36, which is 6, 7, 5, 3, 3, 5, 7, and then 135, 7, 13, 12, for a grand total of $492 in my box. And I paid like $50. So, holy crap. Not gonna lie. But yeah, it's some great stuff. I thoroughly am shocked and amazed that it was almost a $500 box. I'm gonna get some really good use out of some of the stuff, especially this tomato serum. We'll try that out. And yeah. So if this box or any of my boxes ever look good, the links are in the description. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, and ring the bell and all that fun stuff. I will be camping for a while, so my rest of my boxes will have to wait till I get back. But I will see you next video, and I hurt your face, and everybody take care.